Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upholster this bench. Right now I'm using a 1/2 inch plywood wrapped with 1/4 inch foam all around the edge. Now I'm going to cut the foam even with the bottom plywood. I like to make sure I glue all around the edges so it doesn't move. Now I'm just cutting even with the foam on the side. I'm just using a thin layer of fiber so it gives it a nice soft feel to it. I'm cutting all 4 corners of the fiber out so it's easy to wrap. I always like to lock a few staples ahead of time before I start stapling it all down. At the corner, I like to cut out the vinyl so it's not so thick. Under the seat, I'm just using a black dust cover. Now I'm using Velcro underneath the seat pad. This will help it from shifting around when you're using it. On the other side, it'll be a sticky side where I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the millwork. Now I'm working on the back. I'll be using a thin layer of fiber. Now I'm doing the same thing on the corner, cutting it out so it's not so thick. I'm locking a few staples on the back first before I start stapling it down. I like to staple the corners last. It makes it a lot easier. Now I'm stapling extra fabric here to hang it on the rod. I'm using a white elastic here so it's stretchy. You could be a little off and it'll still look tight. And here's how the finished piece looks like.